Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Kodani. If you guys are new, subscribe and click on the gray bell so you get to see more often on your screen. If you guys are not new, thank you for coming back for yet another video. So again guys, it is a clicks and DISCHEM haul. It's the end of the month. We're buying new things for our skin, for our body, for makeup, and I got these things in these bags right here. So yeah, let's get to the video. Start with makeup because I am loving these two things that I got from Clicks. Let me tell you, okay, I got this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder. You listen to me, okay? Listen to me. Look at my face. All right, I use this to actually like set my makeup. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. It has it's a matte powder. It's for setting your makeup. Once you're done, like you just set your creams with this powder. Listen, I am loving this. All right, hey guys, I got this yesterday and I had to go somewhere and I wore it, and my face, you guys, even today, like my face, okay, my face right now, period. Okay, it's very white on the inside. It's a white, actually let me just show you guys how it looks. It's actually pretty white, as you can see. It is a setting powder, like no matter your skin tone. I use it like on myself and on my sister, and it works perfectly well. So let me tell you, this love. And also, because I am a Makeup Revolution girl, they should sponsor me. Like they should sponsor me, like for real, like share this video, they should sponsor me. I got the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and contour kit in the shade ultra light medium. This one right here, this is my contour that I use today. I use this like to highlight. This is like my bronzer. Listen, okay, listen to me and listen well, honey. Okay, listen, I love this when I first started doing like my skincare routine, but then I forgot about it. I don't know what happened, but I forgot about it and I started like using like different things. But I got myself a cream, a night cream from Nivea. This is the Naturally Good night cream from Nivea. It is their regenerating night cream. Now for me personally speaking, I use this mostly as a base for my makeup. I use it to, like, to just keep my skin moisturized because like it's very thick. So I got this yesterday as well. It's a pretty small pack, but also like a little goes a long way. This is how the cream looks. This is how it looks, and it's very thick. This is still new. I think it's very new. So today I use this as my base for my face. Okay, so this one I have not tried before. It was recommended to me by a friend. I want to try it out and see what happens because I have a scar on my nose, but you can't see it right now, on my nose due to a nose piercing infection. It's a long story, but that scar is going, but I want to make it like go faster. So I got myself the Cocoa Heaven tissue oil from Bramley. I got this at Pip. Now, I've heard good stories about this tissue oil. People keep talking about this tissue oil. So I want to try it and actually see how good it is or if it works for scars, because I do have a scar that I want to get rid of. This is how it looks outside the box. So I'm going to try this out and tell you guys what I think of it. But so far, I haven't even tried it. So we'll see what happens when I start using it. It smells like cocoa butter. Actually, my stuff has a lot of cocoa butter. Like I have this and I have this and I also have this, y'all. Like these things have so much cocoa butter in it. Like I don't know why, but anyway, this is what it is. I chose to just try like a new lotion. I got the Nivea cocoa butter deep moisture serum with vitamin E oil. Oh, like with vitamin E, girl, and cocoa butter. It's for dry skin. So far, so good. I like how smooth it is, and it applies so well on my skin. So I like that about it. Not much to say about it. I just like my first time trying it out, but also it smells like cocoa butter. Like it really smells like cocoa butter. Like it smells like me. I smell like butters and oils, like point blank period. So this does smell. I'm always washing my hands, okay, and I'm getting older. Like yo, I'm getting older, and I have no issues with. I love when I'm getting older and more mature and everything, but my hands be showing when I'm getting older, and my hands like they're also like very dry. So I bought myself a hand cream just to see how it goes. I got myself the also Heavenly Repair and Care. Hey, Batu, Repair and Care. Yes, Q10 firming hand cream. So I got this yesterday. It has a very light, mature smell, but it's very creamy. This is why I like it so much. So far I like how it smells. It smells very creamy, very fresh, very light, like a very light scent, which is why I like it. But I got that yesterday as well. We'll see how that goes. But I'm trying to just like take care of my hands. In my previous Clicks and DISCHEM haul, I got the Cetaphil Daily Cleanser, right? But now I want a scrub for my face. So I got myself their scrub. I got the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub for all skin types right here. Now this for me, I will see how it goes, but it's not like the most cheap. It's pretty pricey, but I will see how it goes because I actually do have dry skin, and this for me, I like gentle products on my face, so I'm gonna see how this one goes. But I do like their cleanser, so I will see how this one goes as well. This is the Cetaphil Daily Scrub. During winter, something happens to my skin. I get these like flaky sort of like, I don't know if you can see them, but like they're very like like those like that flaky skin that has like dots on it. I don't know like what you call it. So to actually take that like those things away, I buy this cream. It's from DISCHEM. It actually like relieves itching with like, and also helps like with skin irritation. It's Biocort. If you have like those minor pimples, if you have flaky skin that has like a few bumps or whatever, you can try this out. I use this a lot like during winter because my skin does get like a bit dry, mostly like around my waist and on my knees, and I get like those sort of like cracky, like a cracky texture on my skin. So to relieve that, I use Biocort. This is very affordable. This is about like 30 rands at DISCHEM, so this is affordable, and I do like this a lot as well. So it comes in a tube. Let me just show y'all. This is still new. So it comes in a tube like this. Okay, this is how it looks, and it works if you have minor skin, not like intense, minor bumps, or like dry flaky skin or dry bumps or whatever. You can try this and see if it works for you guys, but for me it does work wonders. Now as I get older, I realize that my skin is changing, and also my under eye like is getting darker and darker. I'm getting like dark circles. Maybe I'm not sleeping enough, maybe I'm too busy, I don't know. But I got myself the Q10 anti-wrinkle firming eye cream from Nivea. Now this I use today. Like it's very soft, like very smooth, and also a little goes a long way. This is how it looks outside the packaging. This is how it looks. So far I can't tell you much because I just started using it, but I like how a little goes a long way, and this will last me a very, very long time. So I'm gonna try using this and see if my dark circles won't fade. Okay, so if you know me personally, or if you watch this channel, okay, skincare is very important here. We take it very serious. So I got myself like something for the winter time to keep the skin glowing. I use this for both summer and winter because I love to just glow and have that rich, you know, radiant skin. So I got the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Moisturizing Oil in the bigger packet. If you've watched my beauty haul that I did last year, you saw this in my beauty haul as well. Listen, if you want to just keep your skin soft, not soft, but like glowing, like if you want like glowing skin, I am telling you right now, like you will not regret like using this. I use this on my body after my lotions, or after like my shower. I need like put this onto my body, and my body like just loves how rich this is on the skin. So I really do love. If you like this video, if you like me, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share my content with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.